Yo, first order of the day. We've got a Starbucks. This one is $7, going 4 miles.
There you are.
Thank you.
Morning, baby.
So we've been sitting here for probably 15 minutes. Is it going to be a slow day? I don't know. I know it's going to be a pretty day. Finally got the next order. This is an IHOP, $7, going 4 miles. Parking lot's pretty dead, so this might be ready.
Thank you.
Sure.
Good morning.
Morning.
Appreciate you.
You know, I was just saying that, but it actually was just sitting there waiting for me. Also, tell me those bushes did not look like marshmallows. We are heading back to IHOP for this one. This is $8, going 3 miles. There's only one extra car in the parking lot since last time I was here, so this might be ready for me as well. Morning. Gail?
Gail?
Yeah.
Signature on the bottom. There you go.
Thank you. Pretty much ready. I'll take it. Hello. There you are. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Got the next order pretty much right away. This is McDonald's, $8, going 4 miles.
DoorDash for Zachary.
Yes. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. DoorDash? What was the name on it?
Zachary.
Zachary, perfect.
Appreciate it.
Have a good day. Got the next one right away. This is Jack in the Box, $7 and change, going just under 4 miles. Excuse me. Oh, that's not for me, but I do have a DoorDash. Do I have to go through the drive-thru, or can I just... Yeah, okay.
Hi, go have whatever you're opening. Thank you.
Thank you. You too. Got the next one right away. This is Starbucks, $7, going 4 miles. Feels like every order today has been 4 miles, which I'm not complaining. That is pretty decent. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Oh, there was no tip on that one. That was all base pay. That's pretty cringe, but okay. We've got a Taco Bell. This one is $7, going 2.5 miles. Thank you. Next up, we've got a Mr. Maple Donuts. This one's $11, going 6 miles. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Hello. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Next up, we've got a Black Rock Coffee. This one is $7, going 4.5 miles. Thank you. I don't know what this is, but it looks like cake. Interesting. That little cake shot tasted like a churro, but it had icing on it like a donut. Not bad. I'd give that a 7.5. Okay, it's been quite a while since that last order and quite a while since we've been to IHOP. So hopefully parking lot is not packed. But this next order is $8 going 3 miles. Unlucky. Parking lot is packed.
Poor day, I almost got my first.
Hello. Is that a pickup for Richard?
We're still working on that one.
UYOUSIME.
Don't know how much of the pickup I actually captured because I was sitting there waiting for a good 10 minutes before my camera died on me. Since that Black Rock coffee order, I think that was 1, or was that 2 orders ago? I don't remember. But ever since dropping that one off, it's been very slow. And in that case, I'm gonna go ahead and throw up a little video of a little kitty. Quick update on her. She's still very timid, still runs and hides at any noise, but I can almost get her to come out and eat right next to me. I don't have any videos of it, but maybe soon. Anyways, I think I'm gonna call it here. Current time is 9:48. Total, we ended up with 79. Was looking to be a good day, but like I said, definitely slowed down a bunch. Anyways, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. That order is terrible. Bye.